Heresies never really go away. The ideas that are attractive to people in the first and second century still seem to have a lot of attraction for people today.
A heresy really caters to popularity. Heresies thrive on their attractiveness. People say, well, that makes sense to me. But the question is it the truth of God?
Discover the great heresies that have threatened the church in an EWTN event Wednesday, June 10th. First, director-producer Tim Moriarty joins Father Mitch Pacwa to discuss the church's struggles with false teachings on EWTN Live at 8 p.m. Eastern. Then, don't miss the premiere of an EWTN original documentary, The Heresies, Gnosticism, at 10 p.m. Eastern. Learn about this early heresy and why it is still a problem today. It all starts Wednesday, June 10th at 8 p.m. Eastern, here on EWTN.